Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be on how I whiten my teeth. About a month ago, I decided to get really serious about whitening my teeth again, and I honestly have very barely whitened my teeth in the last 6 months. And I'm a coffee drinker, and I'll start to do good when I'm like, okay, I'm gonna whiten my teeth. I'll start off doing really good, and then I just like kind of get lazy and fall off the bandwagon. So I'm a coffee drinker. I've told you this many times. You guys have seen my monthly favorites where I share my favorite coffee flavors with you guys, and with the colder weather I'm definitely drinking more coffee. So I've been noticing like some minimal stains around like my teeth right here and right here that I wanted to get rid of. So I wanted to share with you guys this kit by WhiteSmile. I've been loving it. I love this box. This is like their holiday kit, I believe. So I wanted to kind of give like a mini review and share how I've been whitening my teeth the last 3 weeks, almost a month. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out how I whiten my teeth, then just keep watching. So over the years, I've tried many different products to whiten my teeth, as far as getting them professionally whitened at my dentist's office, which was a big waste of money. I would not recommend that unless you have like extremely yellow teeth. Save your money. There's products out there like the one I'm going to show you guys that will give you great results, which I've been loving. But I've tried like back 10-15 years ago, all like the different whitening strips. I did not like those because they would feel so gross and disgusting like in my mouth. And I just always wanted to like get them off. It just felt weird. And a lot of those would leave my teeth super sensitive. I have really sensitive teeth when it comes to whitening products, so my gums would hurt, my teeth would hurt. I'd go to bed and I would barely be able to sleep because my teeth hurt so bad. So I stopped doing like the whitening strips, and I've tried like other products where you have to like create the tray. It's like a big process, like a back and forth, where you have the molds and then you bite down and then they create the trays or the dental trays and send them back to you, and then you have to put the gel inside it and put it in. But still, with that, it was like a process. I didn't really like it. I've tried ones like this where you put the gel in here and on the bottom and you bite down, and it just feels weird. Again, I'm like, when can I get this out? And that's kind of like why I started falling off the bandwagon. And then there's ones like this that have a battery, so once the battery is dead, you have to get another one. And plus two, if you've got kids with this like battery, it's not really the safest thing. So I was like, this time around I want to try a whitening product that's a little bit different. It's more comfortable, that I like to do. And then also the last thing I wanted to mention is a lot of the whitening products that I've used have been anywhere from a half hour to 45 minutes or even longer if you want to leave it on. And again, like leaving those products on or in my mouth, I just hate it. And I'm sure many of you guys can relate, especially like the whitening strips. I wanted something quick, effective, easy, almost like I didn't even know I was whitening my teeth. So upon opening up this big box, that is what you'll see, and the actual whitening kit is inside. But I wanted to show you guys, it was really cool. I was excited when I saw this. They included this little pouch for traveling purposes, because definitely you can bring this traveling with you. It's so small and compact, so you can put it in this little pouch. I thought that was super cute. Before I get into what's inside the box, I just wanted to read off my phone that this particular kit has dual light technology, which I've never seen in anything I've tried, and I've tried a lot of different items, so I'm going to show you guys that in a second. It's wireless, it's water resistant, it's rechargeable, it's child safe because it doesn't have the batteries, and there's no assembly required. So let's open up the box so I can show you guys what actually comes inside it. Now, I've actually been using this, so I kind of just jammed everything in the box. But basically, as I was saying before, this is chargeable. There's no battery, which is awesome, and you don't have to have it plugged in to use it. So when I'm not using it, I just charge it. So it comes with the actual dual light technology whitening device. This is the actual like charger itself, and it's weird because it just like kind of like clips onto the bottom. I'll show you guys in a second. It's like a magnet, so it clips on there, and then you just like plug it in. It's a USB, so you would just plug it into a USB plug. So this is the actual whitening device that you're going to stick in your mouth. Now I'm going to turn it on, and that's the blue light, as you guys hopefully can see if it's picking up on camera. Sometimes I can't tell because of the bright lights, but the blue light is what's going to whiten your teeth. And best of all, you guys, is that it's only 10 minutes. I have never used any whitening product that was 10 minutes. The least amount of time I think I've ever used for a product was 30 minutes, and even 30 minutes is a really long time. So after the 10 minutes is up, you can use the red light, which again, I don't know with my bright lights if you're going to be able to see it, but that's what the dual light is. And the red light, it says, is for protection against sensitive gums, tooth decay, and bad breath. So what I like to use the red light for, because I feel like it helps if I was going to have any potential sensitivity after, or my teeth kind of hurt, or my gums, I use the red light to prevent that. I've had no issues with sensitivity, you guys, at all. I don't even feel a thing after using it. So you do the blue light for 10 minutes to whiten, and then you can just switch to the red light for 10 minutes and it turns off by itself. I've had no issues, you guys, with sensitivity at all. My teeth don't hurt, my gums don't hurt, and I've had really bad situations using other products. So this in total takes 20 minutes to do, but again, if you don't want to use the red light, you don't have to. It's completely optional. And lastly, but just as important, the actual gels to whiten your teeth. Now, I've even used like pens before like this that you just leave on with no device like this, and it wasn't really that effective, but I think together it works phenomenal. I'm just going to run through quickly how I use this. So basically, I just take the gel, and it's actually like hanging off right now, but this is just a twist cap. So basically, you twist it until the gel comes out. You apply it to the tops and bottoms of your teeth. Obviously, I'm not going to go back there. Nobody sees the back of my mouth. But basically, when I smile, all the teeth that you see, I just apply it on the top, apply it on the bottom, and that's it. And then you pop this in your mouth, and you do it for 10 minutes. You guys, this is super comfortable, and I don't even feel like I have this in my mouth. I forget about it, and I'm watching TV, and then it goes off, and I'm like, okay, and then I'll do the 10 minutes for the red light, and I'm done. Once I'm done, I just rinse this off because it is water resistant, and that's it, you guys. It's super easy. I had like a coffee stain that was kind of in between this tooth or this tooth. I can't really tell by looking at my computer, but I used it a couple times and it's pretty much gone. I can't see it. So I've been using this, and you can use this every day if you want. Like I said, I had no sensitivity. So in the beginning, I was using it every day, and now it's like more for maintenance, which I'm definitely going to be good about and do, because again, I'm in like this coffee season where I drink probably at least 2, but if not like 4 cups of coffee a day. Dunkin' has my wallet, so this little kit, you guys, has become my best friend. If you guys are interested in this kit, I will have it linked down below. It would even be a great gift for somebody as well. But anyways, let me know in the comments down below, have you guys tried whitening kits like this one? What do you guys do to whiten your teeth? Are you thinking about trying this kit? I'll be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.